Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you a quick and easy way to put 2 bullet points on the exact same line in Google Docs. Google Docs doesn't have a direct layout option to split bullet lists side by side, but we can easily achieve this perfect alignment using a hidden table. Let's get started. First, open your Google document, go to the top menu and click on Insert. Hover over Table and select a 2x1 grid. This creates a single row with 2 separate columns. Next, click inside the left column of your new table. Go to the top toolbar and click the bulleted list icon. Choose whatever bullet style you prefer and type out your first set of items. Once you are finished with the left side, click inside the right column. Click the bulleted list icon again and type your second set of items. You can easily adjust the spacing between your 2 lists by clicking and dragging the vertical line in the middle of the table. Now for the final step, hiding the table so it looks like a standard document layout. Click and drag your mouse to select the entire table. Look for the small drop-down arrow in the top right corner of the table and select all borders. Then go up to the main toolbar, click the border color icon, which looks like a small pencil, and change the color to white. Alternatively, you can change the border width to 0 points for the exact same result. And that is it. Your table borders are now invisible, leaving you with perfectly aligned side-by-side bullet points. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple and direct tutorials. Thanks for watching.